unforgivable.
Ooh. Well, let's... We've done this long. While I was talking to Lisa, I noticed we have a slight problem here. This tree right here, definitely not alive. Definitely starting to rot and fall. This guy looks dangerous. It's starting to rot, starting to lean. Oh, I bet this thing is going to try to kill someone when they cut it down. Well, that someone may be me, but we'll see. This will be fun. So, the next step is do the same exact thing up there.
Wow.
Yeah, and then we're cutting rafters. Putting rafters across. So the next thing is we got to make sure these are square. We'll throw the, I don't know, headers or whatever we want to call them up there. We get those fixed up, get those on, and then we're just going to start putting rafters across.
Wow.
And then...
I feel like that's the hardest part right there.
Yeah, so this is going to be a pain. But as soon as we get the boards up there, we'll start cutting out the, I think they're bird's mouths to set them on there.
Yeah, kind of an angle.
Yeah.
So it notches.
Yeah, so it'll notch out, and then as soon as we get that, we're good. Because then it'll be, we just need to skin it with something.
That sounds good on YouTube also.
Yeah.
The bird mouth and the skin.
Yeah, definitely good. But we did a lot today. We got it square.
Next time I come back, I'm going to work on that tree.
That one? That's a problem.
You pick your tree.
Yeah.
We'll give it your name and it can be yours.
Your tree.
You can pick multiple trees to work on.
Yeah, that one scares me because it's just held up there. It's just leaning against that one.
Oh, I
and
see that. Oh my god.
You see the back over here?
Yeah, this one scares the crap out of me.
Oh, Pete, why didn't you ever tell me this stuff?
So it's out this morning.
Oh, is that new?
No.
Oh, it's a double.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
it splits up there. One goes towards the shed, and the other one. But they're both like leaning uphill.
Yeah.
But it's also curved that way.
It's got some weird angles on it.
Yeah, so if that falls, which way would it go?
And then if you look at it, it's like getting rotten down here. So I'm imagining, and I don't know if that's true or not, that if we start cutting it, it's just going to splinter out in the bottom. So here we go. This is where we've gotten today. So we got all 4 posts up, and all we have to do is put the headers on top and then the rafters over. We're thinking about making it taller in the back. Put some 8-foot posts in the back, and we'll call it good and start getting it sheathed. Here we go. We're out of here. Just out of here for the day. But lots of progress. Thanks to Bella and her dad. And yeah, see you next time on Hard Struggle Homestead. What do you think, Lisa? It looks like an actual structure now.
Almost livable.
Ooh. Well, let's... We've done this walk 100,000 times.
Ow! That hurt my knee. Ow! God.
Well, that was fun. But yeah, this will be done pretty soon.
I did all this.
We are starting to look like a building out here. It's pretty exciting. Hey little buddy, what are you up to today? I'm not gonna try to disturb you. We're gonna keep you happy. Alright, have fun, hop along. You guys look a little dirty, but that's all I got. So I was walking down the hill and saw this thing. Look at it. This thing's awesome. Cool little log. Moving home. Don't look like it. But I think I'm gonna keep him around. Or her. I don't know how to gender trees. But like yeah, we're gonna clear the forest up with some stuff, but I think this thing looks cool. So we're gonna do this.